So, welcome guys. Welcome to the Creative Advice channel, and this is day 23 of the Design for Impact challenge. So, this is what we're going to be creating today. This is the brief we're going to be using to create our design today. Alright, so let's enter into our Pixellab and start. Okay, so here we are. Give me some minutes. Alright, so this is the background I'm going to be using. The plain white background. Alright, so let's start. Alright, so this is what I have here. I'm going to be using this also as part of the background. Right, as part of the background, it's going to be a very simple flyer design. Alright, so let's arrange these things. Alright, so we have something like this. The next thing to do here is alright. Let's do this. Alright, rather let's come here and pick a color. Nah. Alright, so let me use a plain white color rather than this. Yeah, and then copy this and put it here. Alright, so we have something like this. So next thing to do now is to write down the theme of the program, which is the theme of the program is unveiling destiny and activating purpose. Unveiling destiny, activating purpose. So it's gonna be here like this, and let's pick a font. So we'll have our title written. Okay, so the next thing to do now is to let's create a space for the call to action. Let's create a space for the call to action. Alright, so let's create the Alright, so I want to do something here. Alright, so we have something like this. So I'm going to bring in some other shapes. Alright. Alright. So we have something like this. Okay. So I'm still not feeling this design. Something is off for me here. But let's continue. We'll get somewhere. Alright, so we have something like this. Okay. Alright, so let's the title of the event is Purpose Discovery Conference 2025. Purpose Discovery Conference 2025. Purpose Discovery Conference 2025. Alright. Alright. Alright, so the next thing to bring in here is the logo. So the next thing to do here is to write down the date 28 to 30th. To 30th October 2025. Alright, so next thing now is the time. Alright, the next thing is the location. Next thing to right now is the location. Location. Alright, so the next thing to do now is alright, to write down our sponsors. So the next thing is to write down the call to action. The call to action will be below. Alright. Alright, so this is our call to action bar. Call to action bar, and yeah. Alright, so let's write down. Alright, so the next thing now is to put in the faces of the ministers, right? Or rather the speakers. Let's put in the faces of the speakers. Alright. Right, so here we go with the design. Okay, so you can watch carefully and replicate or design your own. Use this as a guide to design your own, right? And when you're designing this kind of flyer, you have to be very careful, especially with the speakers, the images, the way you place the images, and even their names. You have to be very, very careful. That is very important. So very careful the way you place their names and the way you arrange everything. This kind of flyer that deals with plenty speakers is very sometimes it might look complex sometimes, but if you settle down and analyze very well and do your sketching and do your research, to be easier for you. Alright, so we've come to the end of this video. Like, share and subscribe if you haven't. Goodbye and see you in the next video.